Good morning, buddy. This is officially Nico couch until we get a new couch. Hi. So I just took my hair out of the bun. And look how it looks. So I washed my hair about Thursday. I washed my hair. Put conditioner in it. And I just had it in the bun for those 2 days. Because I didn't know what I want to do with it. I didn't know if I wanted to dye it back black. Because I did dye my hair like this ginger color. It really wasn't supposed to be ginger. See, it shows brassy on the camera. But it's not even like that in person. So, it's a really cute color. Everybody loves it. It's really cute. It hurt. It hurt. So, I'm just going to dye it back black. I know most people voted keep it this color, but so I came to the conclusion that I don't even wear my hair enough to even have this color in my head anymore, because I always have it braided in braids, and my hair actually grew a lot. You can tell from the roots it grew a lot. So yeah, I don't wear my hair enough to even like have this color. It's a cute color, but I just did to dyeing wigs instead of my real hair. My hair didn't get damaged or anything like that. Praise the Lord, because I kept it moisturized under my wigs. I took very care of it. So yeah, we're just gonna, you'll just see me dye my hair, wash it and straighten it, and yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. Alright, so I just detangle my hair in that little mess it was in that y'all seen from earlier. Now we're gonna get started. So I'm using the Revlon color silk, beautiful color dye. You don't want to use a rinse, because when you're blonde or light color using the rinse, it just turns your hair into a big old mess. I'm not a cosmetologist, but I know that part. I know that part. I know that part. So I'm gonna mix these two together. When I used to dye my hair back in the day, I used to dye it like a light color or get like highlights, like, you know, in the fall or like end of the summertime. And then when winter come, I always dye my hair black, jet black. Hopefully this will be enough. Usually one bottle usually be enough for my head. Hopefully. You just want to shake it up. So yeah, I used to always dye my hair like this. Yeah, I'm gonna need another dye. So, I'm gonna need a new dye, because this is not enough. I want my hair black, so I have no plastic caps. So, that's not enough, but I know it's not. I'm gonna have to use a brush bag. Point blank period. So I'm recording off my phone right now. I just left my camera where it is because I can't find my little camera handle holder. So yeah, let's go to the store and get more box dye. Even though I feel this enough, but like I said, I really want my hair black, and I hate that I'm going to the hair store because every time I go there, I buy more than I need. We gonna turn on this heat. It's freezing. My lips are so dry. They say my lips always dry. Somebody gonna make a joke about me when I get like YouTube famous and be like, MarkitaSade lips always dry, and then make all these clips together, all my videos of my lips being dry. Then I wash my face, y'all. I guess I don't know. I'm just looking stupid. BRB.
I'ma show you some. When you press that button, the trunk went, and all of a sudden, 15s didn't see no wires, and then I heard boom from the amplifiers. Gators, is what I picked that. She's got everything in my mama name.
Bruh. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. You know, it's really weird that come out like this. Hello. Now here I go. Look at the other stuff. I don't even need. No. I ran out of a dye. That's why I got this bag on my head. So I had to come back and get some more.
Let me know if you have any questions, okay?
Okay, thank you. I'm back home. Take this off. Jeez Louise, it's so black. Ah, so good. So I just washed out my conditioner, my hair, with the conditioner washed out. Okay, here, I used it before. It's the blow dry and styling primer. So what's this stuff, this brand, the brand that I'm using, they have like a whole like whatchamacallit line, what is it, what am I trying to say, silk press line. So they have that. It's not cheap, so I'm just gonna spray this all over. And I bought the whole set. Usually I just buy bits and pieces of stuff. That's okay either. Let's just buy the whole set for once. So that's what I did. So I'm gonna grab my clips. I have to buy some more clips too. And whatever this knit stuff I was trying out at the beauty supply store, that's work. Because it's not even coming off. I got in the shower and everything. Oh, I hate touching wet things, like wet hair. Oh my god. It's like weird, but it's like you just keep them on. Alright, so I also got this new blow dryer here. It works really, really well. It comes with these little clips that I got from the beauty supply store as well. I love this blow dryer because it's so freaking quick, like, bruh, like, it's just so quick. Now I'm gonna take this off and use my small tooth comb to get like the roots up here. And I'm using this all on high or medium high. I think the key to like flattening your hair is your wash and how you blow dry your hair. Like those are the key. So Snoopy. Snoop Dogg. Not Snoopy. Snoop Dogg. Okay. So, it's all blow dried. As you can see, I got some dead ends. So, turn around. So, it's time to flat iron. That always gets hot when I flat iron, so I need to, and this is the last step. As you can see the price on these bottles is not cheap. This is the Thermal Protecting Cream, Silken and Shiny Moisturizer, Silient. You don't want a lot of product. See, black hair just make your hair look so much fuller. Like, alright, so y'all just watch me flat on my hair because I listen to some music. You feel me? And it's 333. The numbers I just been seeing. God is with me. Okay, so I'm finished flat on my hair. I turn off the ring light because it's making me hot. I have really fine hair, so it's always thin looking. It's pretty long, and I don't want to cut it, but I am. I always wanted a blunt cut. Yeah. I was always nervous. But people always convinced me not to do it. Woo! Here we go! Goodness, it will grow back. It's just hair, Keita. Can I put it in a ponytail? Okay, I can still put it in a ponytail. Okay. Woo! I can't believe I did it! Yeah. So happy. I always feel that way after I cut my hair, but oh my God, I cut my hair. I don't know how my back looks. I want to see it. I got a mirror. So I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna style my hair. Be back. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My camera is shaking, I don't know why. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the finished look. I am feeling it. I am loving it. You know what they say about a girl when she cut her hair, you know, she turns into a whole new woman. She's about to do something. She about to just, you know, she's coming off that dead weight, you know. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm loving the color. I love how dark it came out. No more blonde spots in there. It's all evenly dark. And yeah. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video.